Hello gorgeous, welcome back to my channel. For the one that are new, my name is Jen. Welcome. I'm very happy for you to be here today with us. For this look, I have used two palettes, one shimmery fold eye palette and one matte palette. I really hope you will enjoy this video, and if you want to know how I achieved this look, keep on watching. Okay, today is not a voiceover, so let's get started. I'm going to start by brushing the hair of my brows, and I like to brush them upwards first and then put them in place. For my brows, I will be using the e.l.f. Lock on Line Brow Gel in the color Expresso. My brows are never the same shape. It's crazy, and I don't want to overdo it by trying to make them identical because it can go wrong very fast. Okay, I'm not sure how I feel about them yet, but with concealer, everything's gonna be fine. All right, so to conceal my eyebrows, I will be using two concealers. I will be using the Maybelline Fit Me concealers, one in the shade Cafe and the other one in the color D. I will be using the shade Cafe to clean up the first part of my bottom brows and the top part of it. And for the rest of my brows, I will be using the lighter shade, which is Deep. So that my eyebrows do not look boxy, I am gonna fade the front part of my brows using my spoolie. I will be priming my eyelids using the Maybelline Fit Me in the color Fair 10, and I will be blending this out using a buffing brush from Morphe. I will be using the Forever 21 matte eyeshadow palette, and I will also be using the BH Cosmetics Full Eyes 28 colors eyeshadow palette. First, I think I'm gonna go with this deep blue shade. No, I'm gonna go with the black shadow first. First, I will be packing the black color in my crease. Since my base is still wet, I'm first gonna tap the color in my crease, and then once it's kind of set, then I will be blending this out. Now I can start blending the eyeshadow since it is set. I'm not too worried with the harsh line from the black eyeshadow because I will be blending this out using another color above the black one. So my second transition shade that I will be using is this dark blue here. I'm tapping it upwards so it blends at the same time. I'm not sure now what shade I should use to blend out this blue color. I'm looking at the palette. I am tempted to use that shade here. It's kind of a, how can I say that, light beige. I really like how this light beige has created a kind of light blue. I'm not mad with that. I'm gonna go back with the darker blue to add it back to this eyeshadow look. I am gonna go ahead and cut my crease using a cotton tip. Now I will be using my concealer to cut the crease. I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the color Fair. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with the shimmery shades on my eyelids. I think I'm gonna go with these two colors here. One here, this beautiful purple, and this beautiful mint color. I am patting this on my eyelids first because it's still wet. Well, it's still tacky. I don't know why, but it looks blue and it's purple. Now I'm blending the two colors together by dragging the green one into the purple one. To add more definition to my cut crease, I will go back with the black shade with this little detail brush. And I'm dragging it upwards so it blends into the blue. For primer today, I will be using the e.l.f. Hydrating Face Primer. For foundation today, I will be using the Maybelline Superstay Full Coverage Foundation in the color Coconut. It's probably gonna be very, very late when you're gonna see this video, but today something so sad happened. Kobe Bryant died in a plane crash with his daughter. It's really a sad day today, but like I said, it's probably gonna be very, very, very late news by the time this video is uploaded. But yeah, I wanted to share with you guys how I'm feeling right now. Now moving on to the makeup, I will be using the LA Girl Pro Conceal concealer in the color Warm Honey to highlight my face. I feel like I'm not highlighted enough, so I'm gonna go in with my Deep Fit Me concealer, the number 35. To set my highlighted areas, I will be using my Rimmel London Stay Matte Pressed Powder. To set the rest of my face, I don't know if that's gonna work, but I want to use my NYX Matte Bronzer because it doesn't show up on my skin, so I think it's gonna work fine to set the rest of my face. We'll see together. I think it's looking okay. I'm gonna contour. I'm gonna use one of the brown shades from the Forever 21 matte palette. For blush, I'm using a brand, the name is She Makeup. I think I found this thing in my local dollar store. And it works fine, so I'm not shy. I'm not embarrassed to use that kind of makeup, so yeah. I'm gonna use the two shades here in the first row. It has little shimmers in it, that's why I like it. I think that my next makeup tutorial will be in French for all my French-speaking girls. Yeah, I need to do that. For highlight, I will be using the Nicka K Blush Duo, and I'm using it as a highlight because they're shimmery. I'm gonna use the gold one here. For my inner tear duct, I'm gonna use this white shimmery shade here. Girl, I'm so all over the place that I forgot to do my lower lash line. Like, I don't even know what I'm doing anymore. So first of all, I'm gonna go with the black shade that I have used as a transition color in my crease. Then I'm gonna go with the dark blue shade. Who doesn't love a good lip gloss? Like, stop kidding yourself. Alright, so this is the final look. I'm really happy with the way it came out. Like I said, I really struggle with cut creases, but I'm really getting better at this and I'm very happy with the way it is looking. I feel like a mermaid. I really hope you did enjoy this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up, and before you leave, do not forget to subscribe to my channel because one, it means a lot to me, and second of all, I really want us to grow together on this channel here. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on my next one. Mwah.